Amex Point to Southwest. In this video, you are going to learn how to add Amex Points to Southwest. So let's get started. First, log into your American Express account. For this, visit the American Express website and log into your account. Then navigate to Membership Rewards. For this, once logged in, navigate to the Membership Rewards section of your account. This is where you can manage your membership rewards points. Now explore travel redemption options. American Express typically allows you to book flights, hotels, and other travel services through their travel portal. Then search for flights. Travel portal to search for flights to your desired destination. Enter your travel details including dates and destination. Select Southwest Airline flights. If Southwest Airline flights are available in the search results, you can select them for booking. Redeem your membership reward points. During the booking process, you will have the option to use your membership rewards points to pay for the flight. The number of points required will depend on the cost of the flight in dollars and the redemption rate for travel through American Express. Complete the booking. Follow the prompts to complete the booking process, including providing passenger information and payment details if necessary. Receive booking confirmation. Once the booking is complete, you should receive a confirmation email with your flight details. That's all. That's how you will be able to transfer Amex points to Southwest.